Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be about my winter detangle and wash day routine. I'm going to be showing you how I save a lot of time detangling and washing my hair just to make my wash day routine a little simpler and easier. So if you want to see how I'm able to do this, then please stay tuned for the video. You guys know that I always go out to get my hair washed, but today I'm actually going to be doing it here at home by myself. I have the whole day off. I have nothing else to do. Baby Nadia's grandma's here, and literally it's going to take the whole day. So I'm going to be washing my hair today. First thing first, I'm going to be using my aloe vera, my favorite, to detangle my hair. And then I'm going to move on to my wash day routine so you guys can see. But today I have my hair braided up. I've had this protective style for about 2 weeks now. And as I told you guys, I like to wash my hair every 2 weeks. So I've had my protective style for about 2 weeks now, and I'm going to be showing you guys what my braids look like. They're kind of scary, but anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys what my braids look like, and I'm also going to be taking it out with you guys and also detangling it. Now I am going to use my aloe vera juice to detangle my hair, but I'm not going to walk through the whole process again. I have several videos of how I prepare my aloe vera juice or my aloe vera oil. If you haven't seen them, I'll go ahead and leave them down below. One of them got over 1 million views. 1 million views, guys. You guys are so awesome. But anyways, I will leave them down below so you guys can check them out. But today I'm only going to be taking my braids out, detangling my hair, and also washing it. So if you guys want to see the whole process for that, then please stay tuned for the video. Okay, family, so I have my scarf on. I'm going to be taking it off. I'm going to show you exactly what my braids look like, and then I'm going to take them down. Okay, so let's get into it. Here we go. This is what my braids look like. I have some new growth, as you can see. That's all new growth. I feel like the middle part of my hair tend to grow more because look at that. See that? These braids are a little tighter, even though there's a lot of new growth. And then the middle part is just like, wow. Same thing with this side. See that? See? It's a lot of new growth. Let me show you guys the back. There's a lot of new growth. And I'm just going to be taking this bad boy out today. I always braid my hair like this. So I have this one braid that I'm going to be taking out. And then that's going to unravel the rest of the hair. So this is the braid I was talking about. So when I take my braids out, I like to apply oil to my hands just so it can help with some, I guess, slipperiness. It doesn't matter what oil. It can be coconut oil, castor oil, peppermint oil, whatever oil you have handy, you can use that. I literally have a little thing here with some oil in it. So I'm just going to put my fingers in it, rub it on, and then I'm going to start taking it out. And while I do this, I'm going to try to answer some of your many questions about natural hair. So how long have I been natural? As I said, it's been about 2 years. So I have done a big chop twice. I big chopped twice because my hair was damaged both times. The first time was my fault. The second time was someone else's fault. And I've done a video on all of this. So if you guys haven't seen them, I'll link them down below. So when that happened, I had to do a big chop. And this was at the end of 2017. So 2017 to 2018, 2018 to 2019, and we're now in 2020. So I would say 2 years. It's only the first month of the year, so I don't really count it. So I'm going to say exactly 2 years. So within that 2 years, I've been doing exactly what I've been preaching to you guys. A lot of people like to say, oh, I want to see proof. I want to see this. I want to see that. Well, there's really nothing to hide. I'm not hiding anything. You guys have seen a lot of pictures of my hair. And there's, as I said, nothing really to hide. So another question I get a lot is about the aloe vera for my daughter's hair. I started using the aloe vera for my daughter's hair when she was about, I want to say 4 months old. She still had that baby hair, you know, like the sleek baby hair that the babies are born with. So I used to sleek her hair down with the aloe vera. And it used to be so pretty. And I have a few pictures. I'll try to insert them. But now her hair has changed. It has taken its, I guess, natural texture. So I can't really sleek her hair down with the aloe vera anymore. But yeah, I started doing that at around 4 months old. And then as far as the treatments, I started doing it at around 5 months old. And you will see that her hair has really grown. She was born with a lot of hair, but I used to worry a lot that by the time she started crawling, because you know babies lay on their back a lot. So I used to worry that she would get those bald spots that babies get. And I used to worry that her hair would fall out. And I remember I used to ask my sister-in-laws about this because a lot of them have girls and a lot of their girls have a lot of hair. So I used to ask them and they would just tell me, just take care of it. It's not going to fall out if you take care of it. So I started doing the aloe vera treatments, and months later, she still has a head full of beautiful hair. Again, a lot of people want to say it's genetic. Yes, genetic plays a big role in your hair, but I'll also tell you that again, out of all my family members, especially the ones that I know, I have the healthiest, longest hair, and it hasn't always been like that. I've always had hair, but I never really took care of it. I used to get the perms and the braids. And I've told you guys that I used to get really small micro braids, and then I would go back in a week later, take out all the perimeters and braid it back really tight just because I wanted my braids to look fresh. And that damaged my edges. I have nice natural hair now, but my edges are a different story. I'm still up to this day working really hard to get my edges back to where they used to be. I don't know if they'll ever go back, but you know, I'm working really hard, and I've just been following all these steps that I'm telling you guys just to help me grow my hair. But again, I kind of brought that on myself because I was, you know, ignorant about my hair and how to take care of it. So I just used to do whatever. But now I'm taking much better care of my hair. I am much more gentle with my hair, and I just protect my hair a lot more. And my hair has been growing nonstop since I started using my aloe vera, the rice water, the oils, the vitamins, and you know, just doing all the tips and tricks that I've been trying to share with you guys. Okay, so this braid is out. As you can see, I have a little bit of product built out right there. I don't know if you can really see it, but yes, that's when you know it's time to wash your hair. I'm gonna just continue to take the braids out. The braids are out, and this is where we are. Okay, so I'm gonna start the detangling process. I'm gonna make a few parts in my hair, and we're gonna go from there. So I have my aloe vera here. I'm gonna try to cover my background here. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so I have my aloe vera water. Bag. Okay, so first of all, if you guys saw my last haul, I actually bought this spray bottle from Sally's Beauty. Now, I don't know if I got a defected one, but this thing was not spraying the right way. Did you guys see that? It is supposed to give you a misty kind of spray so that the water or whatever the solution is can spray everywhere without leaving big drops of water, because that is very messy. But I don't know if I got a defective bottle or not,
but this just wasn't working. And I tried it over and over, thinking that maybe the aloe vera juice is too thick or maybe there's something wrong. But I honestly just think I got a defective bottle because I did everything, y'all, and it just wasn't working. It was actually spraying out like, I don't even know how to describe it. And then I tried to detangle with the brush. That wasn't even working right because my hair wasn't properly wet or saturated. See? My hair is not wet at all. The spray bottle is not doing its job. I'm super disappointed. At this point, my whole routine is kind of messed up, but that's okay because what I ended up doing was I ended up grabbing a smaller spray bottle that I had around the house. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree. I ended up transferring my aloe vera juice to the smaller bottle to spray my hair in order to finish detangling my hair. This process was ruined, so I ended up not really showing you guys how I detangled it. But what I did was I just went ahead and saturated my entire hair, twisted it up in small sections, and just do that to all the sections of my hair. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you guys a proper detangling process. I will do a video on how I actually detangle my hair because it is amazing what a good detangling solution and brush can do. So I will make a video on that a little later. But anyways, just be patient and keep up with me. I'm going to go ahead and cover my hair with this plastic wrap for about 20 minutes and then I'll go wash it out. I don't think I can fit my hair in the plastic wrap. All right, you know what? We'll just use a regular plastic bag. Okay guys, this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and let my hair sit for about 20 minutes and then I'll go ahead and wash it. Okay family, this is the part where I'm able to save a ton of time. So what I do here is after applying the aloe vera juice to my hair, I go ahead and detangle it properly and then I go ahead and braid it up. Braiding it up saves a lot of time because you don't have to detangle in the shower. And then after you wash and shampoo your hair, you also don't have to worry about blow drying it, especially if you're trying to avoid heat. You also don't have to worry about your hair getting all tangled and dried because it's already detangled, it's already braided, and it's clean. So all you have to do at this point is apply some oil to your scalp, and you can massage your scalp with the oil with your hair braided, and it saves so much time. And it also protects your hair because that is less manipulation for your hair. And it's also great for the winter time because you don't want to get sick or cold trying to mess with your hair all day. So this is just a method that I've been using recently. I don't always use this, but when I do, it saves me a whole bunch of time. And I hope this tip is helpful for you guys as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video from me again. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.